We don't have any permanent friends. We don't have any permanent enemies. That agreement I sign here. Ebusan for aha Ghana TV GH. Mesra like, a comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature uploaded will be notified. Ebusan for no credit say and catch you home. No credit. Now sometimes it's very hard to say some of this truth, if I may call it. Well, because me a Christian, I've come to understand say there is only one truth, and the word of God is some of these facts. I don't hear the kind of politics in my personal view, that the current people are more ahead of our mind, especially the generation that is ahead of us. John Mahama, His Excellency, generations of NDC people are teaching young and upcoming very dangerous. Extremely. They are teaching us say, whatever happens, any step somebody takes, the moment you are not in the same political party with the person, look at it through political lenses. Akufo-Addo, Ebra no your mampini, he realized say Ghana no yenye island on our own. Assembly SC Burkina Faso, it can escalate and enter into Ghana. Nan one I 80 high, and I see soldiers be Burkina Faso musi omoko patrol no mako hirakwen eko Ghana mu with their weapons, the bombs, all those things. And it tells you say there be Ghana no yen share that yen safe that. So Akufo-Addo saw this thing. And the Ebra sa coups the same ekosu Mali, Niger, Burkina Faso, Guinea, and then the terrorist attacks, IXC, Ivory Coast, Togo, Burkina Faso. And on who said there be idea we yan looking sharp, starting taking steps via ebe higher. So you will realize he organized a conference bi Accra. Now that conference or invited other nations in the sub-region where they spoke about terrorism and how to prevent and all blah blah blah. Now Osanko America, and in America, he was speaking about the nature of insecurity in our sub-region and the way coups are happening destabilize the whole sub-region. Now I say Obubo Burkina Faso din. John Mahama, His Excellency, Asema Akufo-Addo with a good intention or spinning asem no ekosrem kokoka se Akufo-Addo na oye kokonseni. Akufo-Addo akodi kokonsan against Burkina Faso for. Now at first we didn't really understand why John Mahama, His Excellency, would be against Akufo-Addo, who's a democratic leader, okay, speaking about how the negative effects of coups. But with time I realized John Mahama has this affinity for Russia. Now you say America and Russia and so there, Omunka, and they are like rivals. So if you're on the side of Russia, America sees you as an enemy. If you're on the side of America, Russia sees you as an enemy. But worldwide, we assume say America is the leader of the free world. And teacher say democratic nations example America. The same cannot be said about Russia. And naturally, Ghana, we tended to tilt a little bit more towards America all over the time. But then we also signed a non-alignment treaty, saying, and same war season, kitty and other this thing, Ghana there will not take any position. We don't have any permanent friends. We don't have any permanent enemies. That agreement I signed here, I say, John Mahama, His Excellency, a year sano. With some of the steps I will take, say ECOWAS say, Nkrofo we adio amuye no, enye, yentwi ye hu free omuwa. Ehona na John Mahama beko first. Obeye President, His Excellency, his first trips, oko Burkina, Eko Mali, Echo Niger. Meanwhile, ECOWAS say these people, they have even gone to the extent say, "Omako yo muamu passport, yo mu free regional zone nemo, sub region nemo." But you still udiomichi, and then right now upia. Let's go and listen to this conversation for Hi Ghana TVGS. You can support us. The number is there. Please get your bien so Madam Wase.
Nama yenye, inama yichi, yemfaya sin enche. Na se ewiase se wo ye wo nisu nyansanfo bebre ba enseme toto wo no binu no yeso mo oni ti bebre ba wo ma ponche ache because how come say oman a ye member of ECOWAS na ECOWAS esi aginaye na wo de obeye mampani a wose memfa sa aginaye na ECOWAS na si no anya adwuma na dia me pe na meye because me di me ho so we sa na sebe won sem fatakura senke se odi oman Ghana nim because odi oman muni nyina nim atwitwi fom Ghana say you can't non align movement ho
yes
and so President Mahama de on so de obey align inti asembaba abank ye de se ye pe ba bia tena no na won de wate asim na oye ne wope enne President Mahama ani ku makers neighbor na we say ebra ye ne swearing in no na Burkina Faso president na say ku maker na coach na man for yam hihio
yes na nkrofo yam hihio
me na yam hihio me okono di tuo no bona say be empanifo say okwase na aje udwan okwase na aje udwan dia na say yam hihio me ka wakwa no nkode ball no no wu ya na nka nipa ho ndo
and said the effect on the country
because ya to abamam as democratically elected president now when you be amfa na ma swearing in yase na cool leader na kofa no ba na etuo bobo no no de be chia na obo otu okuma na okwase na aje udwan enti ni ma bi wo ho a nye President Mahama the way of conducting no ho no nwanwa but all who say akonya we e wono mfie na pe mfie na no betwam oba betena fie as former president na so wotifie na ohwese de oman no ekoso na se nani bagi a wono a obeka ana mampani da Kufuor tifie sa ko buku appointment to kura sa ko chia president Kufuor a ahwe agi se 1 month achi nsa na benya kwan nyuma papa obeyeye adepa oye ne Ghana animonyama ogima Ghana nti watifie anso te say de wati Jubilee House obia sorry opeso ko no ko chia no President Mahama busa ho se won fie na no so na akotene fie a obenya sa nyama wi
if at the first time no kwa wi no obeka kire obeka na bontin say osori ana nipa eba ne fie nyino obi agaba kasa na ebe park ni fie no nyina no obi e ma bi
anu kra no obi anim se da atwe metuma sa aba no anu kra obi e you man na ti say wo kwa wo ma bi o enti ene me bro na wo ya esa wo dwini ne na wo dwini da achi nso enye ne ya ene wo de Ghana wo pese de ye ko hye Russia fo ase se de opese wo ye no enti oni Russia fo na ahwibom na eniema Ghana ye chi no eno na won de so ya yi na odin so de be kan yin na ye de na ma ye nyankopon onyame nkurakura ne mo na nimfie na no so no nkotene ya mutu ye kom nyina ebi nso preprew na se de wo kan ye no sa nkrofo no mo pese mo yade a ebe ka leader no na fe se respect o se recognition no mo de be mo de ama wo enti o ma hu se twotwo mutwo ene no enti wo yade a abema ase ntaw dia betumu mienu abedamu mienu mu ntemo no na ama wo mafa ho de awure mu eni nti na Ghana fo enom de akoye sacrificial lambs a ye ne ho akwakyiri ye no na se ka wa amfa ho ankobo no a bia anka Ghana yeti start call Burkina kotontosi ene da nyina ye kotontosi ntokwa no wo ho wo mu di o mu nsem hunu enso bi nkan ye but jo Mahama no akokan be kan ye
Okay. Me that's be a Jujam and Martin can make a god ni ho fall from Jujam Eric Mpacho honorable watch the befi and draw omode more survivors and say me in Sababidu into and draw honorable watch the befi hobo 37 military hospital so picture ni biaba into you bet media to sabra me ma god no makwaba
kwa me di so na
okay fall from Jujam
empelifo case bi say yenyini ai yesi yenyini ya yensra kwatia yenyini ya yensra kwatia
yeah
kwa ku mejina ne
eni onawo ochibe fi victim ne baako on se akata no hwe ne nan ho on se nan ho on se nan ho awai ayesi nachi yesi no so wagya bibi wo ka animu a ka ni emutwa agya tumu no ena okofa me show se be ni sika ti emu so we kwese nipa no so nwu etwin by force ni gya no to na tade mu na chisa ti na chi nyina hyehye na chi nyina hyehye nti o hwe ne nan ho kakra bi ne bae na abun se wahyepa
ne sere ho no
ne nantu aha abun se wahyepa nti omo de ayi akata no godonko
waku me se yempanifo se yenyini ya yensra kwatia se waku meka se wo ye Ghana ni na wo kan sembi ehye de twantro kan sembi tia president Jordan Jekum Kufuor ene na Kufuor adoa waku enye too late facha opako
asa anote Jacob ni cheopa Kufuor ekopa na cho se nsem bibiro ka fa no na ye ntro NDC fo ntia
meka biem say wo ya MPP ni o wo ya NDC ni o wo ye Ghana ni keke ya wo njo ne political party bia nem waka asem bone bi etwa ntrato president Kufuor so anasa na Kufuor adoa facha opako na ho beto waku wo kai say I think it's 2003 and 2005 Ghana fobi eko Gambia the Gambia
yeah
2000
Emma then president Yaya Jammeh yes say according to report which say Yaya Jammeh soldier for na ekum Ghana for
yeah
now only surviving person they fed say Martin Chere
yes
I think say Chere Martin Chere
either Martin or Michael
okay but there's a Chere and the first name go be MDD
yes
ya mon check my
Nere ekwate party bi afede fonka
yes
empo no omo party na ngu secretary Japan person wo free ma mumie nja no kwa pepe no free he is causing heat in the party
at the time what cause swedro declaration Guzitano okote Eagle party president Obena Samoa okote ne party
president mumie nja no kwa no wonko
ne party president
obi a o cause heat our party mu no ya best na betimi ya se beja na kwan na wako so free party we ma ho ye ho beto ye obeka sabeboa but data me na TikTok am ko hu mo ye live na me dwane baby a me nya interest pa ye baby a mo se nkofo say factory brother ma me ka sa ko bi nche o me ma ye factory adwuma da na factory adwuma na me ye na hu o Kumase ye de se woni baby e fe no sokoban Wood Village omo endua nko satam na isa Wood Village no anase carpenter form wo Kumase no omo nyina wa ngonaga it na cause heavy traffic go for by his own wisdom and create Sokoban Wood Village and we move say wood for nyina kogu ho and omo nyina wo baby fa ako it omo ya adwuma na so dust na ebeba no dust no huge the omo ya ne say santom di jatum no machine no sometimes omo timi sesa na nkofo be say bia poultry farm for no ana broni bi baga no hu say no so that see on say ukọ abrofo no omu kuro mu ha say awoba omu wa yi bi omu e de me fa chimili omu de heat locks egum eja mu soja wo
yeah chimili
yeah iti broni ni ba no be hu say no ene so that say gu ye so na ye fa anya hwe omu kuro mu hompo no omu twadua e fresh no man yam na ye dust no mo dey process it but ye ne kuro mu ha say so that say be bu ni ye fa anya hwe dia o be be factory tie o be be factory ewo Kumase de ma bibini sa wo hwe factory ni so ma no o de bibia hye ne sa bofa ye ne ko wo say ye be ye adwuma ni bi mi ti ma ye hye mfidie no na me wo ho na me hye mfidie no me nya brofo na hyehyɛ ana brofo no recommend me ma panyin ne say akwa we ne betima run machine na mai ana me kura me ye operations manager me na me san ye electrical work o nyina aka me say adwuma ni dodo na hye me sa by the me hu ye nie one factory no because eye obi dia na one for no ni sika na bi ye no papa ne manage ni basa by the ye nie but I mean check heat locks no ye the far process ma ye confessor so that's ni free let a begu silo na fa system na PF EBF na students e compressor no na PH seki so ba na etwitwa machine ba ko twitwa wi a ne ahyehye ne apake gu container pua na ekọ se kodu ono ba bi factory ne kodu no ho a no so afa no de akoton na sika na ba no de bia bre factory no na so that factory de bia be koso sika ne ba ye ne workers mi kwara minim say ye twa ye ka sa time kwara ye 3000 but no ma ye 900 Ghana cedis so sa factory ni gu na ye ko hu fast no businessman na mo ana factory na mo kan sister brothers America no question akwe Japan no businessman be na obey president wa run the country na aye successful Trump the oye businessman bi aba ono open interest open interest it is a Japan the money man oba run a business Ghana as a business or the pon interest enye timemufo no and I'm sure Ghana I say the whole world who go go say the whole world on my mic what for no Ghana you also miensa
no but
the president he buy
me so asemo at the factory na ogbo yi mo ho was the factory productive na mo ye adwuma mo nye sika mo pa
ye adwuma ono no the target say oh ebia for this month me pe containers 3 starting no me yetimi nya containers 7
oh okay
7 containers because starting o catch you say I feel no be business or person or technical it is say I was say adwuma ebia from 8 o'clock anopa near pon ewia 5 sometimes it's me bantem ebia be 6 o'clock ya start near pon 6 sa tie ya ye nya more product na you produce more in a day etina ka Ghana ni no sanka onimnyansa so excuse me to say kobehwe so ye ama o maintain any factory na gu ukwa ase samampom bibia anya adwuma bi enti say we na ebese ya na otu no akoton adi we na ebese ya na otu say ye pese sa na Ghana akodia Ghana factory bebre ho kwame nkoma bebre say ye we because ye hu ni say ye ono ne de wo hu ni so ma ne de it is a time we also do adwuma no kwatan open no be sorry obi a soft life obenye ska bebre agu ni botom say the kokko for say we na business we be factory there my brother ye be yira as a country it's your pedia ye factory there private person said they now work no omo na be say business na my then you be ye adwuma pepepe
okay I adwuma wo factory dey say me fan de ye youth abena be hia no roka de abena di ni sika otobobo factory no be gu akwa akaye na obo so ankrankrum no we boy factory na nka so we tum wa hwe madena which one is better for
and private mom na beboa maybe I need to say me disclose
to honfo area abri fam
I mean ka cho Canada maybe me adwuma say no me timi disclose ana me timi obi abetimi afre me back door na edi nkomo ba adwuma me say ye tia yeka in USD
what dollars
yes USD na ye tia yeka no me pa cho ba ye tia scan in CD equivalent
okay
enya government worker wo entina me person ka me di fa ba bia me ka be si asam so say government bi buy ohun say Ghana fo no ya adwi mu nhyeda nda ho enti obeye SHS ni free because na enya sika nko bi ni ya adwi ma bie obeye ni free ama yakọ ana nkofo bi omodwen so omode say Ghana fo ni ti bebra ya nto abama wo mo ma me fa asem ba ko bi kwa samba mbehim enkofo na omudi ya to omoye election omudi ndc echi a omukukun tokọ bebra police stations a collation centers na omujijije omuforce nkwa MPP for dodo mo sign wa bla anyom na wini a ebe wi ase ko wie quarter ye jiji bi back to MPP for sankofo ni nyina nya obi omako school and maybe am me was see you know ebi see ye am nipa no e ko back to Accra ana omukọ kan na for no hu se wa wini ban 9 votes ben confirm ye sari na me minimum cost college center omukọ obi ni wa ko school mu nyina garam say for and BBC Emma saga say for the abobi to me bia wusisi say me kan won bia me wo yeah so what I say kuro we am timu sese ye kuro na previous na mines ni nya adwuma no na nkofo eye galamse dodo na ama omukoyi gold mukoyi moba no wadade no mo de ba soro no mbeyam a omoyam gold na no first gold ombeyi no ye frɛ bibi president load no omoji saa time na Mahama na was so that time say wu na omo so omoji president load omoyi president load gu nchen no makoyam no mo de akoma omo de kwa akra say ekọ president oba mo frɛ president load enipa kro odi gold na ekọ one time bi ukọ saa akọ ni face say ye buso yin na yemobo because akọ no was kapa o cast bi odi fie ona na galamse fo mo ho hanyina ona da o ma no a woji president load no odi kọ enti say na ya soja fo ba ekuro me hana so ombe pies katape ko order from above beba say omunja wo mo enti sa akọ we one day bi na odi gold no wọ́n wọ́n fanfa the car or tundra wọ́n fanfa or benz wọ́n fanfa or kwan kura so betumi afọ flight wọ́n fanfa or the motor okọ akra no okọ wi saa kwa na wu enti eye adwene no wo form a saa NDC government no dey benefit saa adwene no